This is a new model honey extractor. I will show you how to operate it. First, open the lid and snap it onto the ring on the beam. Then you can put the frames in and close the lid. Please make sure the basket is full or the frames balanced. Turn on the power, press the power button. Push the gear lever to run the honey extractor. There are 6 gears in total. The larger the number, the faster the speed. R represents forward rotation. If reverse rotation is required, first push the gear lever to 0. And then push the gear lever to the direction of L after the speed drops. When the honey extracting is completed, you need to return the gear to 0. Disconnect the power supply, open the lid and take out the frames. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.